The F-16 Fighting Falcon is a multi-role fighter aircraft used by various air forces worldwide. Here's a brief behind-the-scenes story. Design and development. The F-16 was designed by General Dynamics, now Lockheed Martin, in the 1970s as a lightweight, affordable, and highly maneuverable fighter jet. The aircraft's design was influenced by the need for a cost-effective alternative to the F-15 Eagle. Key features: 1. Agile performance. The F-16's aerodynamic design and fly-by-wire system enable exceptional agility and maneuverability. 2. Multi-role capability. The F-16 can perform air-to-air and air-to-ground missions, making it a versatile asset for air forces. 3. Advanced avionics. The F-16 features advanced radar, electronic warfare systems, and precision-guided munitions.
I own one of the world's finest civilian-owned F-16 flight simulators. 3 laser projectors create the visuals on a 270-degree curved screen, fully immersing you in the flight. The cockpit features real aircraft parts, including the ejection seat, controls, and most of the panels and switches. Sitting in an authentic F-16 cockpit and flying the simulator is a unique chance to feel like a real fighter pilot.